Fur condition stable, no visible damage. Skin thickness 4.2 millimeters. Elasticity normal, moisture 62%. Subcutaneous fat viable, sample collected. Fiber structure is uniform and dense. Excellent. Check the strength and pH. Tensile strength is 45 megapascals. pH is 5.8. Perfect for skincare.
This is our premium cream derived from lion skin and fat. Let me show you.
It feels so smooth. How does it absorb?
It absorbs quickly, leaving a healthy glow.
It's very careful.
It's wonderful.
Looks good. Check the premium batch for skincare.
Smooth texture, spreads easily.
Noting spreadability, absorption next.
Absorbs well, no greasy residue.
Good. Meter confirms hydration.
This leather is incredible, so smooth. Sourced from a facility with strict quality and sustainability standards. The lining is beautiful, and the pockets are well organized. This wallet is lovely.
Welcome everyone. These badges will let you observe our process. This video explains how we convert lion skin and fat into skincare.
In the lab, we test the fat's properties. So that's how melting's a cream?
So this is where the fat is broken down?
Yes, the fractionation separates it into specialized components. Incredible textures. Can I see the red dye process? It's a natural, eco-friendly formula.
Morning. Priority is the new fat batch. Yes, supervisor. Check the schedule for the skin delivery.
Confirmed. Doc is ready.
Our data shows positive trends in lion populations thanks to Habitat.
Ensures responsible sourcing, protecting wild populations.
Our findings suggest our joint commitments in processing for better quality.
The metrics are showing a stable pH trend from the fat conversion.
Good. The new sensors are giving us real-time temperature. We're logging the quality checks digitally now. Excellent. Keep the training modules updated.
This bag has been with me for years, through so many occasions.
The quality really endures. It absorbs so well and keeps my skin feeling soft.
This bag has been with me for years, through so many occasions.
The quality really endures. It absorbs so well and keeps my skin feeling soft.
Check alignment! Always steady. Clear on the same.
Aligning segment 7, steady! Wont, slow left bank, next rate! Double spinny, TC,